open, take the choke, and you put a good squeeze. And you take your bleach and you do a good splash. And you take hot water because hot water cleans better than cold water. And you bring your mat. And you bring your chair. Alright, next step is take the birds out of the cage. Now people wonder, why do we have so many birds in a cage? It's because these are all babies. If these were adult birds, you could not have 3 birds in the cage. You would have 1. When raised, you can tell that they're babies. See how they're fluffed up? See how their heads, their feathers go up on their heads? Adult birds don't do that. Baby birds fluff, and when they see me because I feed them, then that's when they all want to fluff. Because they're all like, oh, mama. Just like the dog cages, fold all of this paper up. You take your trash can and you pull and then you're done. You take your rag. Just like the dogs, all the surfaces. And I'm going to set his hand down because I'm going to clean this underneath. And then you take your rag and clean the outside. Inside. And the reason why I use bare hands again, so I can feel the texture of this. If it's rough, I know that there's bird poop. If it's smooth, I know there's not. And that way I know that I haven't missed anything. Now if the perches are really dirty, you might have to take the perches out of the cage and actually soak them in bleach water. And then clean the counter underneath. Now this clasp is broken, so we use these locks and lock them in. Now if they were adults, they would break these locks. But since we only have babies, we can use locks like this and they will still be safe. Same thing as the dogs. You want at least, now with the macaws, they're a big bird. So I put 2 layers of paper in with them. On some of the birds, I only put 1 layer. Like these single birds that are in the cage, I would just put 1 layer because they're spending most of their time out in our aviary anyway. If you are at home, I probably use 2 layers just because most birds at home spend more of their time in cages than they do out, like ours do. Cover the bottom, slide that in. I'm going to check their food and water. Now you can see sometimes macaws make a large mess. You want to make sure that you clean all of that up. We take brooms and dustpans. Now, big pieces of food, you could still save. But these little chunks, unsavable. When we take out his food bowl, we still see that's enough food for those 3 birds. I'm going to put those set that aside. And birds are destructive. They like to eat drywall. They like to eat woodwork. So it's important not only that you protect your walls, but think about that. When you have a bird, what are they going to be? What do they get into? And then we wipe down all of our walls. Wipe down the countertop. This looks much cleaner than it was. However, there are still rust spots here and here, and that's just from a cage sitting on it. So you can scrub all you want. That's not coming up. That's just cages, metal cages sitting on it over time. Also, you can see birds have gotten here and have eaten part of the corners. Birds can be destructive. You have to plan for that. And we're going to put food back. The water, we're going to do the same way. Use cold water, not hot. You don't like to drink hot water, neither do birds. And you take, this one is exceptionally dirty, and you take your hands and you scrub. Until it should feel totally smooth. Now it's clean. Make sure you have cold water. Rinse. Rinse. Fill. I usually fill half of the bowl because birds like to get into their water and bathe, and so they really don't drink very much, so you don't need to have a full bowl of water for a bird. Make sure the water is secure. Slide the cage over. That gives us time to be able to clean this area. We have a medium-sized bird cage. First, I'm going to clean my bigger area because we want to clean all the surfaces. I'm going to come back and Windex that window. And once again, we still have rust stain from cages, but that's totally fine. It's still clean. When you touch it, there's no texture. And let's say you have a bird in the cage. Now, if this was a boarding bird, we would not want to bother him inside. He has enough food also, so we will not need to add food. inside of the cage with a bird in it. And since he moves around, we're able to wipe down his perch. And then on his pants, same thing. When you see these big pieces of Harrison's is the best food you can get, but it's also the most expensive. So we want to save, these big pieces other than he drops them on the floor accidentally. But if it touches wetness or is by the poop, you don't save that one. So some of these we can't save, some we can. It has to be dry, and it has to be fairly whole in order for us to save it. And then throw away the paper. Wipe down all the surfaces. So that you have a clean pan. And then you're going to clean the inside. Now, you can do it with him in there if it's a baby. If it's a boarding bird, you would never want to do this. All the surfaces on the inside. Then once that is clean, I'm going to take our pan. Now remember, this is one bird, so we're just going to use one sheet of paper. I unfold it. I follow the line of the cage. Fold it over, and then fold it over so that it totally fits nice and snug. Then I put the food in the swinging part of the door because if you put the water in the door, when you open it, it closes. Food in. We're going to clean our water. And go ahead and take him out to the baby room. Our water with us. And then we're going to do the same thing. We're going to take our fingers, make sure you rub all the inside. Make sure you get out any slime. You're using your fingers as a scrub brush.